Yeah, yeah. So go ahead again.
Yeah, so I use like I make a full pipeline for our project. First one is data collection for LinkedIn scrapping. Then second step is a data storage system. For that I use PostgreSQL, and then data analysis. I use NLP with Hugging Face. Then we have user interface. For that I use a Flask, and then lastly I use a rack for a creation, content generation for the future purpose. So I stuck in the first step, like I
Hmm.
am in doubt, like for giving a username password to this code, because it breaks the rules of LinkedIn.
Hmm.
And the second way is LinkedIn API, using LinkedIn API, but LinkedIn APIs have also the rules and regulation for our project requirements. We can't use LinkedIn APIs. If we use,
Hmm.
we can't generate like our requirements.
Okay, okay. Just hold on 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, sure, sir.
Sorry, I had got an important call. Yeah,
Yeah.
please continue. Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you were
So
saying,
that's my doubt. Only the username password, because my account
okay.
also I built my LinkedIn account. So if it get banned, then I have to create a new one. So
Yeah, better you don't create using your existing one. Maybe create a
Hmm.
new ID and then
Hmm.
experiment with that. That's one thing you can try. Other is
yeah,
there should be. Did you Google on how to get a LinkedIn post dump?
no
LinkedIn.
sir, there I googled that, like I use the chat GPT for information. They said me there is a two-way for LinkedIn data collection. There is a API, and also the second one is a LLM for I use. So for they also said me the LinkedIn API is not safe for this project, as per your requirements. So use this LLM, but care about the rules and regulation of daily. Your account is going to ban if you use this.
Okay, let me. So I was just googling on that. I got some links. So
Yeah,
just try to explore that. Just a moment, I will share.
sure, sure.
So, so I will share on the this thing. Just check out this Stack Overflow link.
Okay, okay.
So don't just of course, prompt engineering is good, but also explore other ways, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Sure, sure.
Uh, so one thing is trading on dump. Okay, it should be possible, is what I feel, because it is the posts are generally available, right? The
Yeah,
post is
yeah,
available for
yeah,
anyone.
yeah. Using LinkedIn API also we can do it, but there are rules, like we have to, like in our project we have to get data like comments, likes, and we
Hmm.
have to, yeah, so that. there are rules in the LinkedIn API using LinkedIn APIs.
Okay, so make a document of what problems you are facing
Yeah,
and what challenges you have currently progressing with the
mm,
project, right? And what
yeah,
steps you have already taken.
yeah. The
So that is
solution
very
and
important. I think both of you. So whatever you are
Okay, sure, sir.
trying, write a document on what steps you are trying and
Hmm.
what are the challenges you are facing and how you resolved it. So throughout the
mhm.
process, you do that. Okay. So it
Yeah,
will help
Hmm.
you
Okay, sure,
only,
sir.
and you can showcase this as a GitHub project in your GitHub profile. So it will help
hmm,
you
Yes, sir.
showcase to either new employers or, of course, you will be continuing to work here, right?
Hmm. Yeah, yes, sir.
yeah. In the interviews also they ask me what are the challenges in your projects and all. Yeah.
Yeah,
So we
yeah,
can talk.
absolutely. So the more data points you have to talk,
Mm-hmm.
so they will realize
Hmm.
that yes, you have done this.
Mm-hmm.
So most of them,
Yes, sir.
like they take some data set and they then do some data analytics. They become
Mm-hmm.
common. So if you do work on a real project and show that this is what you have done, so the
Mm-hmm.
employer will
Hmm.
really appreciate that, and there will be value. They will give important. You will stand out from the crowd.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Yeah,
Okay,
yes, sir.
so I would suggest to take it very seriously and
Yeah.
whatever they are good. I see a lot of commitment there. So you have written a lot of code
Mm-hmm.
and you have thinking of alternative ways to get to the solution. So that is good. So this is
Yeah.
what I anyway any project any work right it is very much required.
Mm-hmm.
So first plan on what is that you want to do. Look for alternatives, brainstorm, and
Mm-hmm.
then even whatever challenges you are facing, whatever the steps you are taking, document that as you keep doing the work.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
yes, sir.
always helps you personally and throughout your career it will help you.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So try out this. So in this link,
Yeah. I will
talk
search
about curl.
and
Mhm.
yeah, I will read that
In
that
Hugging
one.
Face, I think you have option to create VM, right? So you can use that VM to
Virtual machine.
like
Mm-hmm.
yeah, virtual machine to uh, test out whether it whatever the code you have written it works or not. So
Yeah.
try this curl method if you can get a dump, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Sure.
basically, the idea is to get the dump and put it in Google Drive and then
Mm-hmm.
do analytics on that. So that's the idea,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
I'll
yes, sir.
check
maybe
that also, and also if not work, then I will create a new LinkedIn account for that, and
yeah,
check that code.
yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I will give you certificates only if you complete the capstone project, or else no certificate.
Sure,
Yeah.
And I
sir.
will give you salary,
Sure, sir.
but
Sure,
no
sir.
certificate.
Yeah.
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
So deadline is August 31st.
Hmm.
So work towards that. So of
We'll
course, I'm
complete before
giving
that, sir.
in between work. I'm giving, but you'll have to stress. I mean, work out a bit more.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. We started with something in the beginning, but
Hmm.
then we started. What is possible, right?
Yeah.
We're
Yeah,
not a
yes,
big
sir.
team, and we have our challenges. Even I had some challenges. I could not attend some of the
Yeah.
classes, and I could not take it because I am also occupied in many things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is one thing. So let's try to do the best, and I like interacting with you guys. So continue with me, and we will do a lot of wonders. Okay,
Yeah.
Sure, sir.
it's left to
Me
you
too, sir.
guys. It's no there is no
Yeah.
compulsion as such.
Yeah.
No, sir.
I will see if I can get more clients, and then we can engage more.
Hmm.
But I have some tasks to be done. But you guys first concentrate on the capstone project, finish it,
Yeah.
and then we will work on the projects that I am thinking of for
Mm.
continued work. But
Hmm. Okay,
start
sure,
your
sir.
job search. That's what I would say now. So
Yeah.
along with
That's
this,
Sure, sir.
start your job search
yeah,
and I will not be, because I'm not a very rich guy to pay you guys
yeah,
huge salary. Okay, so
Okay. Sure,
you'll
sir.
have to find a
Will
job.
understand.
I will
sure.
definitely help you whatever possible ways I can.
Okay, sure, sir.
So if you help me to streamline the process that I'm doing, right? So that's what I need
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
help first. But first, you have to finish your capstone project.
Capstone
So
projects.
then I will engage you with my work, so that it will help you to find a job yourself, like creating your own LinkedIn, creating what process to follow, right?
Yes, sir.
And creating your own resume, creating your
Mm-hmm.
own cover letter, how to apply to jobs, right? As an intern.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yes, sir.
And unless you finish the capstone project, not going to give certificate. Okay, so you
Yeah,
Okay,
can
sure,
give
sir.
the certificate and showcase, like whatever the recordings that we have,
mm-hmm.
you
Yeah.
can showcase that, right? So what you have worked on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
So
sure, sir.
only the part that where you are talking, right?
Yeah,
Mm.
So you can showcase in your profile, LinkedIn profile. So maybe once a week or twice a week.
mm-hmm.
So you'll have to showcase what skills you have,
Yeah,
right? Keep sharing
Okay, sir.
whatever you know, right? So in
yeah,
that
yeah. I'm
way,
starting sharing on LinkedIn
yeah, I
about
saw that. Yeah, that's good.
technical skills. And,
So I would highly encourage that, and definitely the knowledge that you have today, it will get you close to 10 lakhs per annum, I'm sure. But if you are properly do it, only then.
yeah,
Okay, sure, sir.
Okay. So the knowledge that you have, it can easily fetch you 10 lakhs, but it's not easy. But you have to keep doing and follow the proper process.
Yeah,
yeah.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
have also set the target now. The like I have to get a job as possible, as much as possible.
Yes. Yes.
Whatever the package, I don't set the package like 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs. Whatever the
Hmm.
package I
So
accept,
Yeah, yeah,
we
yeah.
have
so
to
That's
do
that is
fine.
my
jump on
target.
the.
You keep the target of 10 lakhs. So whatever you get, you
Mm.
just accept that. But if
Yeah,
you keep your
Yeah,
target
yes, sir.
only low, you will even get a lesser pay.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
So keep the target as
That's
10
also
lakhs.
nice.
Okay.
yeah, yeah,
And you
Okay,
have
sure,
the
sir.
skills. I know. You just need to showcase.
yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
sure, sir.
This skills that you have, it is worth 10 lakhs.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Nobody
sir.
is there who knows all this today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Whatever I've taught you in these 6 months, nobody
Mm-hmm.
knows everything.
Yeah,
Nobody knows prompt engineering. Nobody knows, you know, the lessons that you learned about LLM. Not
yeah,
everyone knows. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is very much valued. Highly, you have got the mentoring from across the globe, not just India.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
don't underestimate yourself. And I would again recommend, once you get the salary, go and join the English class that Meera madam,
Mm-hmm.
she had come, right? So you have to
Yeah,
improve your communication. That is very, very important.
Sure,
yeah,
sir.
So don't miss out on the opportunities which is in your hands.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. So any more questions you have, Lokesh?
No, sir. I have that doubt that username password, and I will search on that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Please. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
I know your hand is now pulling
Yeah,
you
yes, sir.
down.
Yes, sir.
But try your best. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir. Yeah. Good morning to all of us here. So, this is my PPT about my capstone project. So, it's a future-proof AI data pipeline for YouTube content analysis and generation. Uh, and the agenda of the project, this presentation, what I'm explaining to this. First phase is extracting a YouTube data and setting up the data pipeline using Airflow Apache, then developing the UI using Streamlight, and then implement the RAG system. and what are the tools and technologies I have involved in this project, and what are the next implementation plan of this project. And there's a project overview is a extract the video details and transcription from the YouTube and automate the data processing and analysis, and develop a user-friendly interface for data analysis and the implementation of a rack system for content generation. And here I have used the NLP techniques and content generation also, and extracting the YouTube data. So here I have used Google Developer Console, which is integrated. I mean, which is related with the Google Cloud, and I have extract the. I mean, I have created a project on that site and extract YouTube API using Google Cloud, and use my API to apply in this code to extract the data from the YouTube. Then
Mm-hmm.
this is the code I have used for a transcription, and these are all the functions I have used. And this is a just a example code, and I need to work on that continuously.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a FFmpeg. This is a I faced the problem initially. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
there is a extraction. I mean, there is a transcription for speech to text. So that's
Mm-hmm.
what I search. So many APIs or so many AI tools or so many libraries in that related with the Python. And I got some of APIs like Google Cloud related speech to text API and the IBM Cloud related speech to text API. So those are APIs are fully paid. So that's what I choose. This project was fully free cost to make this project. So I have choose the FFmpeg. So which is a open source multimedia framework that can be used to transcribe the audio and video files. And I have included in that project. And this is a I'm facing the first initial uh, problem in this project for the transcription,
Mm-hmm.
and I got the solution using a FFmpeg.
Actually, FFmpeg,
Then yes sir.
FFmpeg is a
Yeah, yes sir.
benchmark. FFmpeg
Yeah,
is
yes sir.
actually a benchmark which will,
Yeah.
like you said, transcription of audio and video, right? So, for
Hmm.
example, how many packets of data are getting transferred. So, in order
Yeah,
to
yes sir.
measure the performance, they use FFmpeg benchmark.
Yeah, yes sir.
So, it's a very popular benchmark that is used for measuring the performance of systems
Hmm.
for audio video transcriptions. Okay,
Yeah, yes sir.
so it is a very valued benchmark in the market. Everybody,
Hmm.
most of the semiconductor companies know this.
Yeah, yes sir.
Okay,
Mm.
just wanted to
Yes sir.
give that information. Yeah, please continue. Yeah.
Okay, sure sir. So here next step is after the data extraction, I have to automate that flow into the data pipeline, and that's what I am choosing a Apache Airflow to the data pipeline, setting up the data pipeline, and this is the example code for to create a workflow to through the Apache Airflow.
Mm-hmm.
And the UI is for creating a, it must need a user friendly interface. So that's what I'm choosing a Streamlight, and it is and I write a code through the Jupyter Notebook Python, and Hugging Face transformation for a sentiment analysis. That's what I choose. HFT. Then rack system. I have choose a GPT-2 tokenizer, and like model is a GPT-2 LMH head model. So these are all the pre-trained GPT models. I choose the rack system for these models. And what are all the tools and technologies? Just a basic overview of this project. I have choose this. The API for the API interaction for Google API Python client, and the data pipeline was created by the Apache Airflow, and the Pandas through for the data analysis process is a Pandas, and the data pipeline for has a Apache Airflow, and the data warehouse I choose a MySQL which is integrated with the Jupyter Notebook Python. And NLPA, I choose a HFT transformer for the LLM and the NLP process. And the interface, UA interface for I choose a Streamlight, and LLM fine tuning I choose a PyTorch and Hugging Face Transformer. So
Mm-hmm.
the implementation plan is a roadmap outlining the next step and the implementation, which is a through the timeline, and the setting up the API, and develop and schedule the data pipelines and build the Streamlight interface, and through the model for a content generation. So these are all the overview of my project, and I want to show the
So
code
what
and
is
the
that
extract the
Streamlight?
YouTube data.
Sorry, what is
So
that Streamlight?
The Streamlight, which is a Jupyter notebook library and the tool like FFmpeg. Like this is for a UA, which is related to the UA UX. I think
Okay,
so.
okay,
So which is used for creating a user interface
got it. Mm-hmm.
to through the our code. So that's
Okay,
what I'm choosing a Streamlight.
okay, okay, fine. That's for sure. That's
Yeah,
good.
yes, sir.
So good presentation.
Yeah,
So
yes, sir.
Lokesh, you should also do like this,
Yeah.
and I will feature in my profile also to about you guys. So whatever that your
Yeah, yes,
work
sir.
have done, okay, in a appealing way, and I
So,
will approach you guys to also create videos, so
hmm.
that we I talk about more about you guys, and so that you get a job early, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
So this is a data extraction code I have used for this project, and what are all the title and columns there are included: video ID, title, transcription, and
Mhm,
views, likes, dislikes, comments. So, and I have to show what are all the extraction in this process. One sec, sir.
mhm,
I want to show the Excel sheet.
mhm,
Yeah. So here I have tried with the FFM peg. So that's a some of problems are in that code. So that's what the subtitles and the transcriptions are not able to retrieve. And I have tried with some other some more times, and there is some update from this data extraction, around the data are there is a 680 plus uh, videos are there,
mhm,
and I retrieved the 628 videos and the IDs and the title when it is published, and the likes, dislikes, and subscription at the time of the video. Sir, these are the data, sir, I have extract in this process, and there is so many problems are in this code. So that's what the subtext and the transcriptions are not able to retrieve. So still I'm working on it, and soon I will complete this, sir.
okay, good, very good. I think
Yeah, yes, sir.
nice work there, Sarveshwaran.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm happy about the progress, along with some
Yeah, yes,
other
sir.
in between work I've been giving you guys.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Both actually ad hoc work.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
So so that's good. So what are the content that you have created so far? Can you show that, or let me probably check for the content creation, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir.
For LinkedIn.
I didn't upload with the drive, sir, but I have in my file.
Okay, okay. Then you please upload. Then
Yeah,
I
okay,
will
sure,
check
sir.
on that. Maybe offline I will check. No problem.
Okay, okay,
Mm.
sure, sir.
And if there is, so we have to start. So I've told Lokesh to actually upload
Yeah.
the data into LinkedIn. So start doing it
Yeah, I
in
saw.
Data
Okay, sure,
Venture
sir.
X. Yeah. And keep sharing every day so that
Okay, sure, sir.
more followers come to us than we approaching them. So totally
Mm-hmm.
today we have about close to 300 followers. So our target is
Mm.
at least to reach 1,000,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Sure, sir.
So try your best for that. So we
Yeah.
have to keep increasing our followers.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Why? Because the more the customer base you create and more they engage with us, so that is
Mm.
when, as a company, we will grow. If I
Yes, sir.
can showcase to the investor that this is the customer base we have, it should be in lakhs.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
only then, and we have to show the turnover that's happening within the company as we grow and we make sales. So it has to show in the bank balance.
Yeah, yes,
So
sir.
only then the investors will be attracted. Unless we create that, nothing will happen,
Mm.
right? So you got the idea. So
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
it's very important that we create more customer base and attract them. And it is not easy. It is very, very difficult. So even I will keep trying my ways to get more customers. Uh, so that's the reason. Recently, I think you would have, if you have checked my post, the career growth workshop we did in
Yeah. Yeah.
meeting room,
Yes, sir.
and we wanted to do in a big hall, but not many people turned up. So we did in a small meeting room, and
Mm-hmm.
we made nearly 35,000 profit, not 35, 40, 42,000 revenue.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's good.
But the goal should be to make in lakhs
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
per month. So only
Yes,
then we can, showcase that our company is growing and investors will be interested. So unless
Mm-hmm.
that, it's going to die down,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
right? So that's what I would need your guys' help. And August 31st, you'll get your salary. So we will do
Yeah.
an assessment of your so far work, and based on
Mm.
that, I will provide you the salary that you have promised. So thank you very much for all the work. It was really great, and continue to do this and
Yeah, yes,
be
sir.
associated here so that we do more magic. Okay.
Sure,
And
sir.
Yeah.
we are hiring, maybe one more person has come intern. So I will see if I can onboard him. Return test is over, but
Mm-hmm.
we'll have to see and check whether we can call him for interview. If he clears, then he will join us. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sure, sir.
Okay.
Okay, then. Any more questions you guys have?
No,
I
sorry.
think,
So start looking for a job. That's what I would say. Start doing that.
Yeah. Yeah.
sure, sir.
Okay. So create your
So
LinkedIn,
you can
create
also
your
refer
CV.
us.
Yeah, yeah, definitely I will refer.
Yeah.
So if I refer, it is chargeable. Okay.
Okay,
I'll
sure,
charge.
sir.
I'll charge first.
Yeah. 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 Sure.
Sure,
Sure.
sir.
Huh?
Sure,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
We'll
Sure.
have to sign an agreement. Then only I will help you guys. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll catch up again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Keep associated. Okay. Yeah.
Sure,
Take
sir.
Yes,
care.
sir.
Bye.
Yeah.